Doctors warn that many adults experience unexpected problems after sex, but most people don't realize these issues are completely normal and often easy to fix. Here are 5 common post-sex problems, why they happen, and what you can do to prevent them. Sexual activity is a normal part of human health, but what happens afterward can sometimes surprise people, especially as they get older or as hormones, stress levels, and physical health begin to change. Many adults are embarrassed to talk about problems that show up after sex, but the truth is that these issues are extremely common and often have simple explanations rooted in biology. Understanding what happens inside the body, muscles tightening, hormones shifting, blood flow changing, and nerves reacting can help you recognize what is normal, what needs attention, and what you can fix easily at home. In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the most common problems people experience after sex and explaining the science-based solutions that doctors recommend. The first common issue is muscle cramping or soreness, especially in the legs, abdomen, or lower back. During sexual activity, the body contracts dozens of muscles repeatedly, including pelvic floor muscles that most people rarely use consciously. These contractions can be intense, and they lead to temporary soreness afterward, much like a workout. Dehydration and low electrolytes, especially magnesium or potassium, also make cramping more likely. The fix is simple. Drink water before and after sex, stretch lightly, and consider adding foods high in magnesium, like bananas or almonds, to your routine. If cramps happen regularly, a doctor may recommend strengthening the pelvic floor through guided exercises, which can dramatically reduce discomfort. The second issue many people face after sex is fatigue or sudden exhaustion. While this can feel alarming, it is usually a normal biological response. During sexual activity, the heart rate rises, breathing intensifies, and the body releases a surge of hormones, followed by a drop in stress hormones afterward. This combination creates a relaxation effect that can make you feel extremely tired. For some people, especially those over 40, blood pressure changes also play a role. The solution is to listen to your body, rest, hydrate, and avoid immediately jumping into strenuous activity after sex. If fatigue is extreme, long-lasting, or associated with chest concern or dizziness, it's worth discussing with a doctor to rule out heart-related causes. The third common problem is headaches after sex. These headaches can range from mild to intense and often happen because of muscle tension in the neck and shoulders, high blood pressure during arousal, or rapid changes in blood vessel dilation. Some people experience post-orgasm headaches, which sound frightening but are typically harmless. However, severe headaches that come on suddenly deserve medical attention. To reduce normal post-sex headaches, focus on deep breathing, stay hydrated, and relax your neck and shoulder muscles before sex. Magnesium supplements or gentle warm compresses can also help. Doctors emphasize that while post-sex headaches are common, they should never be ignored if they are explosive or persistent. The fourth post-sex problem people report is temporary mood changes, feeling sad, anxious, or emotionally sensitive. This is called post-coital dysphoria, and it's more common than most people realize. These emotional shifts stem from rapid hormonal changes that occur after sexual activity. Oxytocin and dopamine rise sharply during sex, but fall just as quickly afterward, creating a natural emotional dip. Stress, relationship dynamics, or previous negative experiences can also contribute. The solution involves reassurance, communication, and emotional grounding. Gentle aftercare, such as cuddling, talking, or simply slowing down, can help stabilize mood. If emotional swings happen frequently, a therapist or doctor can help explore hormonal or psychological causes. The fifth issue, and one that many people feel embarrassed to talk about, is post-sex sensitivity or discomfort. This can happen to any gender and often comes from increased blood flow, friction, or mild irritation during intercourse. Hormonal changes, especially in women during menopause or men experiencing age-related dryness or reduced lubrication, can amplify sensitivity afterward. The fix is straightforward. Increase lubrication, go slower, and create more warm-up time to reduce friction. For menopausal women, moisturizers or doctor-recommended topical treatments can help. If irritation is severe or long-lasting, or if there is burning, itching, or abnormal discharge, it may signal an infection or imbalance that requires medical attention. While these 5 issues are the most frequently reported, the key message is that post-sex problems are extremely common and usually not dangerous. They are signs of how interconnected the nervous system, muscles, hormones, and cardiovascular system truly are. Most of these responses can be improved with simple changes: drinking enough water, managing stress, improving communication with your partner, strengthening the pelvic floor, stretching, and supporting hormonal balance. If symptoms are persistent, severe, or interfere with your daily life, a healthcare provider can rule out underlying conditions and offer personalized treatments. Sexual health is an important part of overall well-being, and talking openly about these issues helps reduce stigma. The more you understand your body, the easier it becomes to prevent discomfort, manage symptoms, and enjoy a healthier and safer sexual experience. In many cases, these problems are not signs of anything dangerous, just signals that your body needs a little more support. When you learn what your body is trying to tell you, you gain confidence, comfort, and control over your sexual health.